Hello students, welcome to the class 4 subject English. Our first lesson is the world around us. Let's continue our next topic. First of all, as you can see the picture, what type of phase of the earth? It is very worried phase. It shows that the thermometer is in its mouth. Means what? It means the temperature of the earth is increasing. So it is worried about it. Okay, now see some of the points that is given in the textbook. Did you know? Now let's start. The first point is the temperature of the earth is increasing every year. Why? Because of the cutting down the tree and increasing the pollution. These are the main two reason to increasing temperature. मीन्स जो ट्रीज है वो कट किए जा रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से जो पॉल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है और जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर है वो हर साल बढ़ता रहता है. Now next point is the amount of the rainfall is getting less. रेनफॉल मीन्स जो बारिश की मात्रा है वो बहुत कम होती जा रही है. Why it happened? The reason for less rainfall is increasing pollution, global warming and deforestation are also the reason for decreasing rainfall. जो पॉल्यूशन की मात्रा है वो बढ़ रही है, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, ये सारी चीज़ें होने की वजह से जो रेनफॉल है उसकी मात्रा कम हो रही है. मीन्स जो रेनफॉल है वो अनइक्वल हो रहा है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज वाटर इज गोइंग टू बी more and more expensive in future. Why it happened? Because of less rainfall, water goes down the earth and also day by day population increase, people need more water. मीन्स जो वाटर है वो आने वाले टाइम में महंगा हो जाएगा क्योंकि जो बारिश की मात्रा है वो कम होने लगी है और अर्थ पे दिन ब दिन जो पॉपुलेशंस है वो बढ़ रही है जिसकी वजह से पानी की ज़रूरत ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी. सो इन फ्यूचर पानी है वो भी हमें परचेज कर लाना होगा. नाउ द लास्ट पॉइंट इज द इंक्रीज in temperature kills many life forms. Many animals and birds are getting extinct. टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होने की वजह से जो ह्यूमन बींग्स है, जो लिविंग थिंग्स है, वो सारी जो लाइफ फॉर्म्स है जो अर्थ के ऊपर है वो किल हो सकती है. नाउ दिस बिकॉज ऑफ टेम्परेचर मैनी लिविंग थिंग्स डाई. सो हियर extinct means the animal which are slowly disappearing. They are finishing from the earth because of the increased temperature. They cannot live and finish. सो स्टूडेंट्स जो टेम्परेचर है अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो इंक्रीज होने की वजह से जो लाइफ फॉर्म्स है, एनिमल्स है, बर्ड्स है वो धीरे धीरे मर रहे हैं. एक्सटिंक्ट मीन्स लुप्त होना, वो धीरे धीरे लुप्त हो रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स वी विल सॉल्व आवर वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ्स. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स सी आवर थर्ड पैराग्राफ from the workbook exercise. The temperature of the earth is increasing every year. The amount of rainfall is getting less. Water is going to be more and more expensive in the future. And the last point is the increase in temperature kills many life forms. Many animals and birds are getting extinct. Okay, now let's see our first exercise from this paragraph. Write true or false. The first question is we have more rainfall now. अभी के टाइम में क्या ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है? So This is false. Your second question is water will be expensive in future. क्या पानी आने वाले टाइम में महंगा हो जाएगा? Yes, this is true. Now the third question is the temperature of the earth is increasing. जो अर्थ का टेम्परेचर है क्या वो इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है? Yes, this is also true. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise, filling the blanks. The first one is blank will be more expensive in the future. So we have to write here our answer is water will be more expensive in the future. Now the next question is the amount of blank is getting less. So here your answer is the amount of rainfall is getting less. जो बारिश की मात्रा है वो कम हो रही है. Now the third question is many blank and blank are getting extinct. So your answers are many animals and birds are getting extinct. जो एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स है वो लुप्त हो रहे हैं, एक्सटिंक्ट हो रहे हैं. Okay, now let's see the last exercise of this paragraph. Third, write the correct options A, B, C or D in the box given. Your first question is the amount of rainfall is getting blank. So here your right answer is B, less. Now the next one is blank will be more and more expensive in future. So your answer is water. Water will be more and more expensive in the future. Now the third question is the temperature of the blank is increasing every year. So here your right answer is C, the earth. So students, I have covered all the exercise from today's topic.